And this is the WordPress panel. To get familiar with this, you will have to log in a couple of times, browse through it, but basically on the right hand column you can edit all of the settings, and on the left hand column this is your navigational toolbar. So here you can create new pages, you can add posts to your website. But the first thing that we have to do is, I'll copy that. Here's the page. Doesn't look fancy, nothing special. The first thing that you need to do is to change the theme of this website to make it look presentable. So you go to your dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Themes. And now click here, WordPress Themes. Here you can browse through many different themes, and if you select something that you like, then you can install it. One of the themes that I like, it's called GeneratePress. It's a simple theme, but it gives you a lot of options to customize it. But do your research, find a theme that you find appealing and then use that. To install the theme, you just hover your mouse over it, click on Install. Once it is installed, then you have to activate it. So now let's go back to our website and refresh. So you can see the formatting has changed, where I've got the header at the top, main columns or main content area is on the left hand column, and then I have side column over here. If you want to customize this theme, you can click Customize here, or on the left hand toolbar click Customize. Then you have many different options that you can customize, such as the layout, the colors, typography, the menus, widgets. There are a lot of options here that you can customize for your website. If you want to add a new page to your site, then you can click here and add new page. So then you just give your page a name. You can add your content here and then click on Publish and publish again. And now we have two sample pages. So this was before and this is after the page was added here. If you want to add content to your site, then you would add a post. So you go to Post, you can click on Add New or click on All Posts. And then Add New. Give your post a name. Add some content, click Publish, Publish. Let's refresh this. And here are the posts, so my first post. Now this part here, this is the menu. You can customize it by going over Appearance and then Menus. You use Pages to create the structure of your website. Like you can have an About Us page, a blog page, a key products page. If you are filling in content in your blog area, then you will add posts. So basically, pages are for the structure of your website, posts are for the content of your website. And before I finish, there's also plugins. This is the most important part of WordPress, and this is actually, I believe, why WordPress is such a really awesome product. With plugins, you can expand the functionality to anything that you want. If, for instance, you want to create different pages, or you want to create, say, landing pages, then I recommend a plugin called Elementor. So then you go to Plugins, click on Add New. If you have downloaded the plugin, then you can upload it here. If not, you can do a search for it. Here you can browse through many different plugins as well. So let's just browse to... And then you can click Install Now. And once it gets installed, you have to activate it. I've added the plugin and it added another navigational panel here called Elementor. But if you want to edit any page with Elementor, you can go to Pages. Let's click here, Sample Page, click on Edit. And then you have an option here, click on Edit with Elementor. And the way this works is you can drag a widget onto your page. Here you have different widgets, and basically you can just click it and drag it. Here you go back to different elements. I can add a button, click it and drag it. So you don't have to code anything, you just click and drag, and then you can set up the button however you want. Let's say I want to add a different background color. Okay, and then you just update your page. So let's exit this. Let's go back to the WordPress editor. And actually, let's go to a different page. Let's go to the one that I created earlier. Let's click on Edit. And let's say you have a lot of content here. Okay, so this is just a quick sample. You have your article here, and at the end you want to have a call to action. Click here to view your product. To add your Amazon link, let's just get a random link from Amazon. Okay, I will get a text link. I'll use the shortened link, so I can copy it, go back to my WordPress setup, and here I can highlight the text, click here, paste my link, apply it, update it, and I can preview it. And this is the blog, and then this is the link. If I click on it, it will redirect me to the Amazon page. And that's what I wanted to share with you in this tutorial, the easy 3-step process of getting your domain, your hosting, installing WordPress, and quickly formatting your new Amazon affiliate website. If this seems technical, then my advice is to log into WordPress, browse through all of the sections. This will start making sense because WordPress is easier, especially creating content. It uses pretty much the same commands as you do if you're using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You just need to get familiar with it. Let's move on to the next section.